hey, it's raining out. I was supposed to go to the mall. Look. The rain ruined everything. I don't know if y'all can see the rain, but it's raining, dude. They running. See, look. They running. It's raining. It's raining all right. They running. If y'all did not just see that lightning. Oh my God. He acting like it's a regular day and it's not raining or pouring or nothing. And it's raining. Can y'all see that rain? No, we can't zoom in. I just put y'all more back. This is weird. It's like raining. Yeah, see that rain on the fence? And now the sun's coming out while it's raining. A rainbow. I was starting to stop raining. Cause it's sunny and it's, oh no, it's sunny and it's raining. That beautiful rainbow was on the ground. The rainbow's on the ground, sorry. Can't see. Rainbows are on the ground, you can't record. This phone is waterproof. It's Galaxy S8. Galaxy S8s are waterproof. Or what am I saying to get hers wet? She has speakers and stuff, but what do you know? A guy put his phone in water on TV. Nothing happened. The clock is ticking so stay to do like a second. I cut my finger. It was bleeding bad. Focus. Focus. Can y'all see good? It was on his finger. It was on the ring finger. The one before this. Yeah. This one right here. And it was on the crease. Oh, the cut is deep. Don't act like you never did this before. Ooh, I bit my finger. I want to go to VidCon. Don't worry, it was hurt. I tried to do the staring contest and I almost ended up crying. I'll see you guys when I come back from cleaning off this. Bye. Instead, I'm gonna show you how I do. Take the glove, right? Have this, and then start to like. And even if it was like, oh my God, it fell on my foot. There's glue on this. Hopefully it comes off. This is a working glove. Look, it's my dad's. Don't worry. He never even wanted it. He gave it up. He gave it to me. We're done. It got in my mouth. I want to show you guys my horse. Why are you taking over the vlog? This is my vlog, horsey. I just wanted to show you. You're not taking over the vlog. No. Give me. horsey. Bad horsey. The horsey took over. But look at it now. Is it the right way? Hold on, I gotta do some serious work. Finally, I finished that. Oh, it could be my new hoverboard. Instead of that old couch. This used to be my old hoverboard. It's still like a nice hoverboard. I can still have it, like use it. See, look, I'm over here now. Got it?
You got a kid already?
Who said that? Oh, now it's pouring again. Why is it pouring and not pouring? I need you guys to see this. Get out of the way, blind. Like, I need you guys to see all this pouring. Like, y'all see this? Come on. It's raining so hard. I wish I could just show you from the dot. So, my face is red because I'm hot. That happens sometimes. Okay, I'm not hot anymore because I'm by the air. Like the AC. Yeah, I'm by the AC, so I'm not hot anymore. Oh, it's pouring down even harder. Oh, y'all should be able to see this now. Y'all hear it going on the AC, right? You guys see, here it is. Like, it's raining so hard. Like, if I went out there, I wouldn't have been able to survive. And I didn't have no umbrella coat. My head was getting all wet. I just what happened. Y'all noticed that I have this back in my head, right? But yeah, I wouldn't have been. Oh my God! It's pouring down so hard. All these cars are stopping so slow. He was just speeding, and then when he got in front of our, oh my God, that car is so slow. Ooh, that car's thing popped. Okay, it's pouring, okay? You have to notice, I'm leaving. Bye-bye. Say bye, rain. Bye. Look, I'm recording.
What?
I'm recording, but look, it's raining hard. I was telling them about the rain, but they can't really see it. Oh, by the way, say hi.
Hi.
So anyway, I'm gonna end this right here when the rain stops, because the rain said bye, and the rain is stopping. So yeah, bye. I'll make sure to do a vlog right after I post this one, because the rain is gonna be in it. Bye. Say bye, rain. Bye. Bye. And let's go to my mom. Bye. Bye. Say bye.
You're not posting that nowhere.
She's just is gonna say bye. Now bye.